Colorado, Zone 5B/6A, studying some figs indoors in a grow tent under a grow light. Figs are part of the container shuffle. They're brought indoors at night when the temperature drops below 55 degrees, sitting in a really nice soil mixture of ProMix BX, perlite, vermiculite, cocoa core, organic granular fertilizer, getting a nice head start on the season. So these all have time to ripen their fruit here in Colorado, doing everything that we can to get a nice jump on the season. All right, we've container shuffled outside now, getting our figs some nice, beautiful sunlight. They're all right now. We have some of our Colby Dums over here, Sakura Black, Black Madeira KK. Then up front, we actually have some figs that are forming right here on the Smith. And then we have a Madeleine de Saison. It's one of last year's figs. But basically trying to get these figs as much UV light as possible, some actual sunlight, and getting them acclimated to the outdoors. So we are set up for success for this season. So giving these figs a head start. Again, zone 5B, 6A. Got to do what we can to ripen some fruit here by the fall.